But now we are gonna go in our favorite place with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about a couple more case knives that just came in. Super excited because I really like this one. So this is the Sod Buster Jr., which is by far the case knife that we sell the most. And they started putting this lovely PVD coating on their knives. And we've already sold a couple of the other, the trappers that have that. And it just has this lovely, it's bone, but they make it look like antler. Absolutely love that. And then two more Sod Buster Jr.s. They've got a bunch of different ways that they carve handles up to make them look minutely different. And then the very classic copper, this is the mini copper lock, and this is in the yellow, the synthetic, but it's like Deltran or something. I just can't pronounce it. It's too many vowels. And then these other two, these are largely for my wife at the market. She liked the look of those. That kind of price point that she's looking for, sub $100. I don't know exactly where this will be less expensive, but just kind of that nice, but not super expensive knives that she's looking for at the market. So more on these guys later. We'll be posting them as they get in stock as well, as usual.
All right, we'll wrap it up here. See you on the next one, y'all. Peace.